produk UMKM. Jadi kebetulan rekan-rekan dari sudah berbeda. Jadi kita di awal memberikan dana dari kita bisa
I've listened endlessly to your injury. You wanna talk about your sores, wanna talk about suffering. Maybe sympathy is all you're really hungry for. Cause you just criticize, you finger point and you say that they beat you down. You may be victimized, you're still the one who won't just get up off the ground.
Used to be as innocent as you.
My excuses ran out of things to complain about.
Fear will always find a way to show. Right through, you want to be
apa Bu kita ke nganu apa Bu?
You wanna complain and pass the blame. You want to say you're more than victim.
You wanna talk constantly about misery and how you've been done so wrong. Wanna bend your honesty and exaggerate the distress that you've undergone. There's never a compromise. No one can say that they've ever been hurt before. They may be victimized, but you'll always say that you're a victim so much more.
Used to be as innocent as you.
My excuses ran out of things to complain about.
Fear will always find a way to show. Right through, you want to be more than me. You want to say you're more than victim. You wanna complain and pass the blame. You want to say you're more than
Dirawat di Kelurahan Sondokan. Selamat siang semuanya. Ya, dan monggo silakan dinikmati.
Bu Pak Lurah.
Sate Kere.
Oke.
Ya, dan
Buat dari tempe bungkus.
Lomboknya enggak ada, Mbak?
Ini sama pedes.
Oh, ini mau
Sandal saja.
ojo galak-galak loh, Pak. Nih, sate kere ya. Babat dibabat.
Dapat alas.
Ya, jadi monggo
Iku koyor.
Sate kere, Bu. Nah,
Iki, Bu.
Koyor dapat satu. Lainnya saya koyor apa?
Koyor, kikil, usus.
tuh masih banyak di sana. Pesen berapa porsi, Mas? Anaknya berapa? Istrinya berapa?
Menikmati akeh.
Satunya 2.000, mau berapa? Monggo sate.